everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX and Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through my condo, 723 Summit Boulevard, right here underneath the ski slopes of Snow Summit. Come check it out. So here we are from the street. We're just going to be looking at this quadrant right here. So there's 2 on the front, 2 on the back, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. And this is 723 Summit Boulevard, and we are just 2 blocks from the base of Snow Summit. So basically, I mean, the snow's starting to melt this time of year, but right there is where you can get on and just start skiing. So we've got this beautiful white blossom in the front yard. But this is a condo. We are going to be looking at a 2-bed, 2-bath. And square footage on this one is 1358, so pretty decent square footage. And this one just came on the market for $475. Roof is in good shape. HOA seems to be handling that pretty well. Just a little bit of yard cleanup we could do, but we can easily take care of that. And so parking for this unit is going to be in the rear. It used to be where you could park on Snow Summit right here or on Summit Boulevard right here, but you can't anymore. You can park across the street, but you do have defined parking in the back. Also down here at the stoplight is Big Bear Boulevard. And then this street right here is Evergreen. So let's come on in. This one currently is used as a rental with Big Bear Vacations. 7 people can fit in here, and max is 2 cars. Remember, 1 car per person. And that 7, the city was gracious enough to round them up from 1358 to 1400. So coming in, this is the entry. We do have laminate hardwood floors, gray in color, and beautiful. I mean, this carpet is in great shape. So upstairs is going to be a 2-bed, 1-bath. Downstairs is going to be pretty much everything else: living room, kitchen, dining room, bathroom, and laundry as well. So as you can see, we've got some really nice neutral colors in here. Gray on the floors, kind of like a gray, blue, like very hint of a blue on the wall, but more so gray. And so this one has been updated more than I have seen in a lot of these on Summit Boulevard. They are hard to find on Summit Boulevard. There's only 1 other listed right now. They're also a 2-bed, 2-bath, but significantly asking a higher price on it too. So we've got like a little, kind of like a pop out, could call it a bay window, but nice little pop out. It would actually be a really nice area for a desk for people that want to come up here and work remotely. It's a nice thing to offer on Airbnb because a lot of people don't. If you have a desk, you can say you have an office. So here we have original brick fireplace. And I'm trying to see if I can tell if they have a wood starter on it. One thing, I had a funny story one time. I sold a condo on Summit Boulevard, and the seller was like, oops, the fire starter, which is right there, he actually covered it up. It was in the floor. So always good when it's not on the floor and it is in the wall, because you don't do things like that. And you can also tell that they have a fire starter, because you've got that right there. Nice oak mantle. And then we do have central heating. No air conditioning, but that's typical of everybody in Big Bear. Here we do have what appears to be dual pane window. These are newer windows also. And then here we kind of got like a bar area. So you can sit at the counter, beige tile, great shape. Sometimes, just like I did in Joshua Tree, you can paint this. And the paint actually holds up very, very well. I was surprised because we use it in a wet area. the bathroom, and we have not had any issues with it yet. Knock on wood. So here we have the dining room, and off the dining room we do have a little closet right here, just for all your ski stuff, vacuum, but you have a lot of space for that. So coming into the kitchen, it's nice because in original units, they'll have cabinets all up here, so you can't even really see each other from this room to the next. So it's nice that they have gotten rid of that. We do have upgraded appliances. We've got stainless steel fridge, microwave, stove, and dishwasher as well. And then a cast iron double sink that matches the countertop. Do have a nice tree outside with a face on it. And so coming through, we're gonna go to this hallway, bathroom to the left, hallway going outside to the right. So going to the left, we're gonna come in, same flooring downstairs, same flooring upstairs. All downstairs is gonna be this laminate hardwood flooring. Here we've got a marble countertop. This looks updated on the inside too. These are obviously updated as well. And then we do have a shower inside. Nice clean liner on the inside, very good shape. With a frosted door right here. And then coming out, we're gonna come down this hallway. And so we've got, you could use this as a pantry. And as you can see, we've got more over here. Got the laundry room with storage above. And then this is going to be your furnace in here. And I also think your hot water heater might be in here, yeah. So, furnace, hot water heater. And a weed whacker. And then our intake above it. And then this area, I would just build out for like exactly what it is, you know, skis, sleds, things like that. But it's nice that it is open. And then this is your deck out here. It is shared with that unit behind it too. So we've got a grill out here that is plumbed into the gas line, and that is a part of this unit. And then this would be the parking area back here off the alleyway of the rear units. So next, I'm gonna lock this. It's windy today and I don't want the wind to slam it shut and scare me. But we're gonna go upstairs now. And so as I had shown you before, that carpet, I mean, it's in great shape, especially for having renters in here. You'd be surprised at how soon carpet gets demolished. So coming in, we've got bedroom, bathroom, bedroom. So let's go into more of the master bedroom. Very large, very vaulted ceilings, all drywalled, oak closet doors. And this appears to be a queen size bed, I think. I mean, very large closets. And what's great about these is this little loft area. That's kind of fun. If you have small kids or something, you could easily build like a little barrier up there and then have a ladder. They do have the ladders still, and make like a little bunk room up there. That's what I would do if I lived here. But of course, for vacation rental, the city of Big Bear Lake does not allow that. And so what makes this one more of the master is that you do have outside access right here. kind of cool because it also goes like around a little corner right here, making it like a little private area, but this is also like part roof right here too. And you can actually climb on the roof if you wanted to. And I was gonna see if you had any kind of view of the mountain from right there. I love too when you keep the tree in the deck and oh my gosh, it is starting to smell like vanilla. Once it gets warmer out, all those trees start to smell so good, especially when they've been baking in the sun. So coming through, and this one also I didn't mention yet, but can be furnished. Here we are. This is the only different flooring upstairs. Everything else is carpet. This is the same wood flooring as what is downstairs. So here, same fixtures as downstairs, marble countertop, newer on the inside of the sink. And then we also have an insert as well here. Very clean, very white. And it is also set for vacation rental. And then lastly, we have bedroom number 2, which we do have this looks like to be like a full bed. I think it's a full. And check out that that up there. That is so much fun. It even like goes around the corner, you know, like it literally goes to the next room. So you could even cut that open and have it go all the way through if you wanted to. But this up here is exactly what I was telling you about, the like a railing to keep kids from being safe up there if you were to put something up there and sleep up there. So, and then of course, outside. So let me know what you think. 2 beds, 2 bath, 1358 square foot. This one just hit the market for $475. Sellers are motivated and willing to look at all offers, including offers with furniture. So let me know what you think. Talk to you soon. Bye.